In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use triggers on Asana. Triggers are the starting point for automation rules in your projects. They watch for a specific event, like a task being added or moved, and then run actions for you automatically. This helps you keep work organized, reduce manual updates, and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. First, open the project you want to automate and click the Customize button in the top right corner. This opens the project's configuration panel. In the Rules section, choose Add Rule, then select Create Custom Rule. You're building a rule from scratch so it fits your process exactly. A quick tip. Give your rule a clear name and description so teammates understand what it does and when it runs. Next, set up your trigger. Click the plus when card and pick the event that should start the automation. Common options include task is added to this project, task is moved to a section, custom field is changed, task is overdue, or manual rule is run. Think about the moment you want Asana to step in. Maybe every new task in the project should be triaged, or whenever a task enters a review section, it should be reassigned. If you need a one-off push, the manual trigger is great for running the rule on demand. You can make the rule more precise by adding conditions. Click plus add condition to specify details, such as requiring a custom field to be set to a certain value. You can combine conditions with and, so all must be true, or use or, so any one of them triggers the rule. For example, only run the rule when priority equals high, or when priority equals high or due date is passed today. Keep conditions as simple as possible to ensure your rule is predictable and easy to maintain. Now define what happens. Click the plusa, do this card, and choose your actions. You can assign the task to the right person, add a comment with instructions or context, or move the task to a specific section to keep your workflow structured. You can add more than one action, so the rule handles multiple steps for you in one go. When everything looks good, click Publish Rule to activate it. From now on, the rule will run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs in this project. Test with a sample task to confirm it behaves as expected and adjust the trigger, conditions, or actions if needed. If you have multiple rules, keep an eye out for overlaps and prefer one clear rule over several competing ones. That's it. Your Asana project now works a little smarter, so you can focus on the work that matters.